I'm supposed to do when you're crushing all my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what I know what I'm supposed to do.
Yo, baby. Yo, baby. You're looking at that. Yo, baby. Yo, baby.
Hey guys, yes, I'm back right now. So actually I branched off to went to immunization for my baby. That's what you saw me inside the KK. So as I was coming back, I decided to branch off to a super store where I got my parfait. I actually needed the parfait, seriously guys. Then I am back home right now. Finished taking the parfait. It's so yummy and I really think it's okay. So now we are home and Actually, I will do my hair probably in my next vlog. The hair is really not giving anymore, and I really want to, I really want to do something about my hair. So guys, I'm ending this vlog now. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. Okay, yeah, it's Nazom time. Okay, I'm saying bye bye.